Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm a endodontist from Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you still love endo like I do because today I'm going to share with you another clinical case report of a single visit endo in mandibular first molar with a broken file left inside the canal. And this case was a referral case that was sent to me because the previous dentist was unable to retrieve the file after several efforts, and then my colleagues decided to send this file to me, and when I saw the x-ray, then I saw that the broken file was left at the middle third of the canal. And I think that this case has a high level of success to retrieve the file. So then I talked to the patient, and the patient agreed to receive the treatment, and thanks God I successfully removed the file using TFRK set. TFRK stands for Terauchi File Removal Kit, TFRK, yes. And I love the way they put in the box, because when I use the ultrasonic tip, this ultrasonic has a thin, a long tip, and it is very versatile when you use it inside the canal, particularly when the broken file was left inside the apical third. But today, in this case, I faced the file that was left or broken at the middle third. And this case also has a 1-year follow-up, and the patient was very happy of the treatment, and I hope that the patient will always be happy of the treatment itself. So guys, I hope that this video is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. If you have any question, please send your question to the comment section below, or just send your question to my Instagram account, because I will answer the DM as soon as possible. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next clinical case video. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.